Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I will be sharing 3 ways to upcycle a plastic bottle with stained glass effect without using glass. You will be surprised to see how easy and inexpensive it is to make these home decor items. So let's see how to create these. Take a plastic bottle with a plain surface. You can erase the prints on the bottle by using nail paint remover. Next thing is remove the labels on the bottle. Sometimes after removing the labels, you will see stubborn glue on the bottle which is difficult to remove. Here is the hack for that. Apply any oil on that sticky part and leave it for few hours or leave it overnight. Now wipe that sticky part well using an old cloth. If you still find the traces of that stickiness, do the same process again. As we are going to use the middle part, cut and separate the top and bottom part of the bottle. Don't discard any part of the bottle as we are going to make decor using all of them. As we are going to use glass paints, there should not be any stains on the bottle. Trace the feather shape on the bottle and cut it according to the shape. Here you can use either the outliner provided with Fevicryl glass colors or the regular 3D outliner to make the designs on the feather. Let the outlines dry completely before applying the glass colors. Squeeze the paint bottle gently and slowly on the surface area to avoid any air bubbles. Then smudge the paint well till the edges with the help of a toothpick. You can remove the air bubbles using a sharp pin. Once after applying the paint, don't move it absolutely and keep it in the same place till the paint gets completely dried. So here is your stained glass, should I say stained plastic? Okay, your stained plastic dream catcher feather is ready. This is how you can make more feathers in different colors with different patterns to make beautiful dream catcher or a sun catcher. To string the feathers on, I tried to get a tree branch, but somehow I couldn't get it. So I got these twigs and trying to make a branch by sticking them together using M-seal. To avoid decaying of the stems, apply 2 coats of varnish. Now tie the string to all the feathers. Now tie the feathers to the branch so that they hang in different levels. I feel a dream catcher is not complete without adding an owl to it. So let's start making it. I feel the dream catcher is not complete without adding an owl to it, and you can make the owl using the same plastic bottle. So let's start making it. A small trick to get shiny eyes, that is, add glass paint on bindis. Now simply stick the owl to the branch using the Fevicryl fabric glue, and you can make a companion to your owl too. As I mentioned earlier, not to discard any part of the bottle, here using the top part of the bottle, we will make a different decor. For this, we will make some flowers and leaves, and finally we will assemble them. You can use any metallic wire as the stem of the flower. Now stick the metallic wire to the flowers using fabric glue. Now fill the top part of the bottle with M-seal. Now insert the metallic wire with flower and the leaves into the M-seal before it becomes hard. Now we will make another decor using bottom part of the bottle. We will make leaves of monstera plant to make it look simple and elegant. Here also you can use the same metallic wire as the stem for the leaves. As the bottom part of the bottle is wide, it will take more M-seal. To avoid that, use only a little M-seal in the center to insert the leaf and fill the rest of it with some pebbles. Another way of using the bottom part of the bottle is use it as a tray under a pot with plant. So here is your dream catcher to filter and take your bad dreams away. And these home decor items are quite beautiful to look at, and very often they are complemented by other decor in your house. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel Art Around House, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And I like to read your comments. So see you soon. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.